Welcome to the class. How are you all? I hope you all are going well. Okay children, in previous class we had learned the simple present tense. See, when we use simple present tense, if we want to speak in simple way, we can use simple present tense. Okay, clear? So in simple present tense, as I told you in the previous class, we use the root form of the verb. I think you remember verb has three forms, right? Verb has three forms. Which are they? Present form, past form and past participle form. Okay. Now I return here. Write. One verb is here. Write, wrote and written. Write, wrote and written. Children, this is the present form. Write. This is the past form. Wrote. Then finally third form, past participle form, written. Clear? So we call this present form root form of the verb. നമ്മൾ എന്താ വിളിക്കുക? ഈ present form-നെ root form of the verb എന്ന് വിളിക്കും. Root form. So children, I am trying to say the root form always when we say something in present, simple present tense, we use the root form of the verb. എപ്പോഴും simple present tense-ൽ നമ്മൾ root form ആണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. First form ആണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. Clear? Okay children, now in today's class, let's discuss what is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. See, from this we can understand continuous. What do you mean by continuous? Yeah, നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്, തുടർച്ചയായത്. For example, I am studying. I am studying. See, there is a continuity. I am studying. ഞാൻ പഠിക്കുകയാണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Still I am still studying. ഞാൻ പഠിക്കുകയാണ്. So children, let's discuss what is present continuous tense. Okay, now you can take your textbook. All of you take your textbook. In textbook, we can see three examples. Okay, let's take Manu is painting. Manu is painting. Manu എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? What is he doing? Yeah, Manu is painting. Manu paint ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. So, a continuing action. തുടർച്ചയായി നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Still he is painting. അവനിപ്പോൾ പെയിന്റ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Next one, Rajan and Rani are playing with a ball. Rajan and Rani are playing with a ball. രാജനും റാണിയും are playing with a ball. ബോൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് കളിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Okay, next one. I am watching television. I am watching television. ഞാൻ TV കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Okay, see these underlined words. You can see is painting, are playing, am watching are said to be in present continuous tense. Okay, is painting, are playing, am watching. So these words are said to be in present continuous tense. Present continuous tense-ലാണ് ഇത് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. Okay, they refer, as I told you in the beginning, they refer to the actions that are going on at the time of speaking. നാം സംസാരിച്ചു കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ആ സമയത്തും നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കാര്യമാണ്. ഓക്കെ, they refer, children, do you understand? They refer, ഇത് എന്താണ് സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്? They refer to the actions that are going on at the time of speaking. നാം സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോഴും നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈസ് പെയിന്റിങ്, മനു ഈസ് പെയിന്റിങ്, മനു പെയിന്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. Rajan and Rani are playing with a ball. Okay, children, to form, how to form this present continuous tense? So very simple. We use is or am or are plus root form of the verb plus ing. Okay, children, see how to form this present continuous tense. Is, am or are, ഇതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് according to the subject, സബ്ജക്റ്റിനനുസരിച്ച്, plus root form of the verb plus ing. റൂട്ട് ഫോമിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം എന്തുപയോഗിക്കണം? ing ഉപയോഗിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ റീഡിങ്, റൈറ്റിംഗ്, സ്റ്റഡിയിങ്, കീപ്പിംഗ്, ജമ്പിങ്, talking. So talk plus ing, talking. Read plus ing, reading. So root form plus ing. So in this way we can form present continuous tense. Okay, let me ask. See, for it refer, yes, actions that are going on in the time of, at the time of speaking. സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോഴും നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് പറയാനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്? പ്രസന്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ടെൻസ്. ഓക്കെ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, റൈറ്റ് നൗ ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ ടു ദ എക്സസൈസ്. റൈറ്റ് ദ പ്രസന്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് form of the verbs. Okay, that means write the ing form of the verb. Jump, jumping. Eat, eating. Okay, talk, talking. Okay, in this way you have to add. The next side, drop some of the root form. When we add ing, we have to drop some letters. For example, make. So make in the ing form. How to make its ing form? So we have to drop one thing. E we have to drop. E na kalayandi varum. So making, making, making. Okay, this is the ing form of making. Then drive. So യിൽ അവസാനിക്കുന്ന ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള റൂട്ട് ഫോമിൽ നിന്നും ഈനെ ഡ്രോപ്പ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, then take, taking, write, writing, give, giving. Okay children, so in some root forms, when we write its ing form, okay, some letters will double the last letter and add ing. For example, cut. In the case of cut, how to write its ing form? Yeah, cutting, cutting. The last letter will double. അവസാനത്തെ letter double ആവും. For example, then putting, putting, putting. Shutting, shutting, shutting. Swim, swimming, swiming. Then skipping, p will double the. Then hopping, so p will double. Running, ru double ing, running. Okay children, so just remember, when we write ing form, the root form which ends with e, okay, e will drop. we have to drop E and write ing. Then in some cases, the last letter of the verb will double. Okay. So example, putting, cutting, skipping, running, swimming, see, etc. Okay, clear children? So ഒരു തുടർച്ചയായി നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് പറയാനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുക? Present continuous tense. Then how to form present continuous tense? Is, are plus root form of the verb plus ing. Okay children, the exercise number A and B you have to do yourself. If you have any doubt, just ask me. You can make a call or in personal WhatsApp you can ask any doubts. Okay, just read the lesson and do the exercise in time. Let me wind up today's class. See you in the next class. Bye.